Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with MongoDB Realm for serverless data sync. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the MongoDB Atlas website. Log into your MongoDB Atlas account. Create a new cluster if you don't already have one. Once your cluster is set up, go to the Realm tab in your Atlas dashboard. Click on Create a new app within the Realm section. Select your cluster and provide a name for your app. Choose a deployment model suitable for your project. Now, enable data sync by navigating to the data sync settings. Within the data sync settings, enable the sync feature. Next, configure the authentication methods you wish to use. Common options include API key, anonymous, and email/password authentication. For this tutorial, select the email/password authentication method. Set the email and password settings according to your app's requirements. Proceed to the App Rules section and create a new rule. Define the permissions for your users in this rule. After setting up the app rules, click Validate to ensure everything is correct. Now, move on to the Schema section to define your data structure. Add a new collection that you plan to synchronize with. Define the fields of your collection according to your data model. Next, navigate to the user registration settings. Make sure to enable user registration if you want users to sign up directly. To test the authentication, create a simple client application. Use your preferred programming language to set up the client. Install the MongoDB Realm SDK for your chosen language. Initialize the Realm app in your client application. Use the authentication method you configured earlier. For email/password, create a registration and login function. Once registered, you can now authenticate the user. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.